Okay, so here we have the Automation Studio version 2.9. This is the latest release. And what we are going to do with this today, it would start, it's going to open the browser, going to go to Google, it's going to open my workbook, going to list the worksheets that I have, and is going to read this as a table. I have set the variable for the counter that is going into the for loop, then is going to take the text from my Excel file, is going to enter it into the web browser, is going to get the text from the result, is going to put it into the Excel file, and it would evaluate this, which is the counter variable that I set up in here, and then it's going to save the results and it would end. This is the current code, which I would be also posting into the GitHub. You just need to modify where you have your file as well as where you save it. So I'm going to run this and let's see what it does. Okay, so here is starting the browser. It's going to open, usually it's Google Chrome. Now it has opened the browser on my other screen. It has obtained the data. It has also put the details in there and saved the workbook. And you guys can see it in there. That's what it has done. And if I open the file in here, then that's what it has. Thank you all. Hope this helps. Bye. Ciao.